Okay, we're gonna take off the window seals off a 2011 Toyota Corolla. This is the window seal, the old ones, and we're gonna take it off. But I'm gonna show you in detail how you got to do it. Okay. First, there's a little clip here that you need to you start pulling up here, right? See this? See that clip? See this clip? This clip goes inside there. You gotta when you start pulling this up, you push on this clip. You push it. You gotta push it so that it'll come up. So once you got this clip out like so, what you want to do is you want to come over here. Be careful not to scratch the paint though. You want to come over here with a screwdriver, and you want to go up like this, but you want to push down and get under the window seal so that you can pry it up. So once you pry it up, like that, you pry up. What you want to do is you want to pry this up. See that? See, now you got your, that's how you get it. That's how you get the window seal from get it off. So then what you do is, since this has got a little clip, see this right here, this is clipped onto this metal under the door. So that's why you got to get under. I want you to get under. I want you to get under this. I want you to get under this lip right here, just like that, and then you pry it up. Okay, see this, and then once you do that, this edge right here is clipped on the door. So that's what you want. You want to pry it from this bottom piece, and then this clip comes off. So then once you got it loose, I'm doing it with one hand, so it's kind of hard, but once you got it loose, all you got to do is just pull the it's giving me a hard time. See, now the whole thing came off. The whole thing came off, see? So what it is these little grooves. See these grooves right here? See that groove? You got to get under that, and you got to pry it off the door, because that's what's holding the window seal in. So that's it. That's how you get it off, and then here's how you install it. For the install, what you want to do is you want to line up the see this clip right here? You got to take that clip out. So what you got to do is you get your screwdriver. You get your screwdriver here, and there's a clip right there. Okay, you want to be careful not to mess up the paint. You can get a screwdriver or a piece of plastic. I'm just using a screwdriver though. That's the clip right there. I just took the clip out. See that? I just took the clip out. So that clip comes out, and this clip goes right in that hole right there. Okay, so you want to line that up like so. So you got the rest of your door, and you make sure this last clip lines up good right here. You make sure this last clip right here, you make sure it lines up right here. So once you got it like lined up right here with this clip, see this clip, you got it lined up. So then you just push down. You just push down.